Annyeong 친구! Welcome back to another unboxing video. Yes, Bts Memory of 2017 has finally arrived. I've been waiting for so long. And let me just share some stuff before I start the unboxing video. Like I said before, I'm going to Korea next month to watch BTS. I got the first day ticket. I'm going for the exhibition. I actually got both regular and half ticket. So the only difference I think will be is actually the ticket image. Imagining myself re-entering the exhibition 7 times. Probably might end up being a tour guide there. Yeah, so actually I am planning to do a Q&A when I'm in Korea. If you guys have any questions, do feel free to leave it. Type your questions you have for me in the comment section below. I might be doing it and wait, it sounds kind of weird. I might be doing the Q&A when I'm in Korea. I may or may not. And if I do, probably I'll do it with my friend from US. I don't know. Anyway, let's just get started with this. I'm done talking. Oh yeah, and then oh wait, I totally forgot about this. There's this sticker right here. Okay, just put this aside. So we have the outer cover of the product. And the spine, this is really thick. And then the back. Okay, so let's just open this up. Whoa, oh my gosh. Oh no, I saw what I got. No, I was supposed to hide it. Oh my gosh. Friends, sorry, you guys need to give me a second. I gotta put it in the sleeve that I got for myself. So we have this foam thing. So I got it here and just put it on the side. It's kind of I have to say they're getting more and more creative with the packaging. Can I remove this? Oh my gosh, I can. Wow. Oh, sorry. And okay. Let me slot this back in. Oh la 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 la. Oh my gosh. Why is this hard? Okay, so you can see that we have the members name at the bottom. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Right here we have One and Only Army, and it starts from here. Like I was saying, oh my god, this feels like my textbook. Oh, we have the contents. Oh, this hurts. We have the contents page. This is chapter 1. Like I was saying, I felt that they are getting more and more creative with the packaging itself. It's kind of, well, I do actually like this. I do actually prefer this packaging better than the one that they actually have that you know, like how albums, they are like glued down to the center or sewn down the center. I kind of prefer this better because the images are not like folded. Sorry for the glare, guys. These images are like glossy. Just put this back to give it a support. The photos are really pretty. Just get my hand. This looks much better, I guess. Wow. Jiho, oh my gosh. I'm actually kind of excited to go to Korea next month. To be honest, I'm not sure if that will be my last trip to Korea and concert in Korea for the next few years. I hope not. But there might be a high chance of that happening. Hopefully my grad trip next year would be in Korea. Then that will be like my last. Ooh, I was thinking one was a page, so wow, this is a folded page. Oh, I was somewhere, I don't know. I don't remember where I was sitting. The file is really heavy. Look at John brushing his teeth. Yeah, his teeth. That is so cute. Ah, it's got stuck. Got a feeling that this video is really gonna be really long. This is so cute. Okay, I gotta go a little bit quicker. I'm just waiting for the Asia tour. Hopefully if they have one. Still waiting for. Wow, that's so pretty. Hong Kong. We're at chapter 2. Then we have to fold the pages again. Oh, the file is really heavy. Putting my arm and bottom support. Oh, okay, let's do this. He looked at polar bear. Oh my gosh. I tore the paper. Oh, it's so cute. J-Ho! He's adorable. Let the sun shine with Brian. J-Ho. We have the group. His mom, oh my gosh. His hair is full of confetti. Palm nut. And oh my god, this picture kind of remind me of a childhood show I used to watch. It's called Are You Afraid of the Dark? That was my childhood favorite horror show. This is huge. I totally forgot about the disc. Wow. actually dyed my hair somewhat this color last year, April, because I wanted this hair so badly, that color. No, not today. No, not today. No, not today. I'm just gonna quite sad. Oh. And we are at chapter 3. So Taiji comes a time traveler behind. And we are at chapter 4. Oh, love yourself, her. Oh my gosh, this photo is so cute. Look. Na, 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 na. And then we have it right here. It's so adorable. Oh, they're all grown up. Let me see. Can't believe I'm like, how many years is this? This is like 5 years. I found out about them when I was 15. I'm turning 20 next month. Time passes really fast. Oh, this photo is really cute. Oh, this too. Seriously, Taehyung for this album, he kind of reminds me of like the god from animes. Pizza. Sorry if you can hear me like laughing to myself. I'm just laughing at the photo because it's cute. Oh, what is he doing? Yeah, so adorable. And then we have mic drop. No, my camera is not focusing. Come on. Because of glare. Oh my gosh. And then oh, it's lying on the table. Oh my gosh, the cat is so cute. I love this the solo a lot. And we are at chapter 5. RM and Will change MV. I really love this song. Chapter 6. I can't pronounce my English right. The award ceremony. Ceremony. Oh, the award ceremony. Jimmy Kimmel. Kimmel. Oh. I kind of envy the US fans a lot, because like I realized like they actually like have a lot of chances to watch Korean idols, because I guess like for example the state, they have it's already a very big country, and then they have like a lot of cities, and well, the opportunity there is bigger, I guess, compared to some Asia countries. Am I even making sense? And then we have the artist production, and right here we have the disc. So we have the first disc, which contains BTS Live Trilogy Episode 3, The Wings Tour Final Part 1. Oh, we have BTS Trilogy Episode 3, The Wings Tour Final Part 2, and the final filmmaking. This is white. And disc 3, we have The Wings Tour of BTS Trilogy Episode 3, The Wings Tour, and Wings Tour in Japan. I really love the packaging a lot. We have this 4, You Never Walk Alone, Will, RM and Will change and remake the film, Love Yourself Her. And the last disc we have is 2017 BTS Home Party, So Taiji Concert Time, the award ceremony, Genius Lab making film. And we have credits, I guess. Oh no, this is the content list for the disc. So we're done with the done with this part. Lastly, just put this aside. I saw who is this. I don't know what am I even trying to say. I like the photo, it's good. Taehyung! I realize he's been wearing like the headband a lot. Anyways, so Taehyung.
Thank you for tuning in, and that's all for today's video. Do subscribe to my channel and follow my social medias, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.